Hi friends! Now let's do a simple science experiment. I am sure you will enjoy it. We need a newspaper. Okay, now let's put our hand. Draw the outline of the hand. Like this. Carefully. We have finished drawing our hand. Now let's cut it. Done. Hi. Time to fold the fingers. Now let's fold the fingers of paper hand. Done. Next step, let's take a plate and add some water. Let's place our folded hand in this plate. 3, 2, 1, go! Now see the magic. Oh, our fingers are opening. Yay! Do you know why did this happen? What is newspaper made of? You are right. Wood. And what is wood made of? You are right. Cellulose fibers. Cellulose fibers absorb water. They become straight. That's why our fingers opened. Even you can try this experiment at your home. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you until next time. Bye bye.